Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create rich AI video trend on TikTok. I will just tap on my TikTok account and make sure you will have logged in, and you will just tap on it this plus icon which is a center bottom, and you will just create a new post and you will just tap on it 15 seconds to the video mode, and you will just slide right these effects, and from here you will just tap on it like all effects. So from here you will just tap on its search bar, and right over here you will just type rich AI. So make sure you will just choose it, this one are 9.5 million videos, and you will just simply tap on it to create it. So now you will just put some image like this one, and after taking the process will it takes about 10 seconds to result will be generated soon. So in this way, you will have to create rich AI video trend on TikTok to use rich AI filter. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.